these things is a good thing, you know. Technology on a whole is a good thing, you know. Yeah. I just like make the film, you know. I'm not good at this talking thing, you know what I mean?
Alright, I think that's my job, really.
But maybe if you ask me some questions, it would be easier for me. You know?
Okay, alright. So you're pretty much a veteran now in this thing, I would say. Because I like your production. I've seen a lot of your things, and it's outstanding. How are you finding that Jamaica is catching on then to film?
Well, there's a lot of people making films now, you know. It started with music videos. Before we had, you know, pretty much Harder They Come, and then everything else is a copy of it. And it took us another 200 years before some films made. But then the music videos thing, you know, kind of take off, and from there, you know, a lot of youths come in and decide, well, let's make some films and some short films and so forth. You know, so it looking good, and we need more though. I'm never yet comfortable with, you know, because I feel like the last film we have was the last film out there by a Jamaican was, I think it was Third Record. You know, that's bad because I was fresh in production at the time. I mean, I stand to be correct, but as far as I can remember, you know, a film that is out there in the cinema showing and so forth, you know, and so we're still not comfortable, you know. We're not even comfortable with where we are creatively either, because personally I feel like we're kind of sleeping right now. You know, we need to, Jamaica have a lot of culture, a whole heap of ideas and different kind of people. You know, it's not just one side of Jamaica, you have all kind of different side and different kind of people and a whole heap of story to tell, you know? Yeah.
Well said. I thought you never liked to talk. You want to continue? Thank you, Ras Kassa. Give it up for him, please. All right. And we have someone else who would like to hear from.
Sister Amber, you know, there's a lady here who is shortly going to leave us, she says.